Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the latest achievements on the garden guide and obviously Grow a Garden's latest updates. So if you go to the garden guide here, there will be a mini achievement section. I'm just going to select explore, and basically you can get a super cute fairy fence, 5 enchanted chests. Oh my gosh, I want that wish fountain. Oh my god, I have to obtain this. Can someone gift this for me, please? Like, I will give it back. I don't need this, okay? Anyways, I'm just going to claim the rest first. But I will need to craft 10 glimmering sprays, craft 15 fairy nets, craft 1 fairy summoner, hatch 5 enchanted eggs, hatch a pixie. Okay, I need to hatch 30 enchanted eggs and obtain. Okay, I have this. I'll just give it to somebody and have them give it back to me. But yeah, that's the new like fairy event achievement. You can get these items. I really want that wish fountain. So yeah, if anybody wants to give me that pet, well, not give, okay, just borrow for like 1 second so I can obtain it, I will give it back. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.